How to fix low microphone volume on your desktop, Windows 11 or 10. So I will show you the perfect method. So let me start the video. So here come to the search bar and search for control panel only. Okay, just open it. And here we need to search for that volume and sound. Okay, so here we have that sound. If you don't see the option, you go here in view icon and select large icon. You can see that. Just open it. Now here you can see the sound icon. So if you want to go in microphone, so here go to the recording, and here now you can see that your current microphone device. Okay, so this is my active device. Okay, so by mistakenly if you choose any other device, like if you choose any other device as your microphone, then you need to select your right device, right click on it and make it. Okay, you need to set default. Okay, you need to select that and set as a default. Okay, this is the option. Okay, if I disable it, so I will see this option set as a default. So I just need to right click on it and select the set as a default, or this option will be enabled. You need to select that. Okay, once you select your right microphone device, just select that, go to the mic properties. Here under the properties you can see the tabs which is level. Okay, so here you need to increase that level by 100%. Okay, at 100%, so your microphone value will be pushed. Now that apply and this okay. Now let me go in this settings option, go to the setting options here. Okay, and here search for sounds, go to the systems and go to the sounds. Here your output menu, your speaker. Okay, this is input, means your microphone. So make sure you have chosen the perfect microphone. Here come to the back and go to the microphones. Here you need to select. Okay, this device currently, okay, this device is currently used, so this is don't allow to change, but here you can see the list of your device. So you need to select perfect your microphone. Okay, you can also increase sound from here. Okay, and here my microphone, you need to check your microphone name. Okay, and from here also you can increase the sounds. If you want to add your new input device, you can add from here. Okay, you can check volume mixer also. Here this is the input, means microphone. Check your microphone device perfectly. This is the app currently using your microphone. Okay, so here we have 3 app. Smart Connect, the my mobile app here. So I use this is for output. Okay, this is for input. So it is by default, you need to select by default only. Okay, so if you are using any other particular application, then you need to check their app sound and settings. Okay, from here, so you need to select your perfect microphone. So it is select defaults, I mean it is already selected as a this input. Okay, already we have selected this input my microphones. So they are also selected default means they already select this one. Okay, so if you are using the any other app, window app, where you are using microphone, then you need to open that application and check is there any sound settings option, is sound setting option into it. Okay, and other one thing is, if you are using the microphone, okay, so you need to check microphone itself, because some microphone has that adjuster, volume adjuster. So you need to check on your microphone, is there any volume adjuster. You need to adjust their sensitivity to increase and decrease your sound microphone volume. Okay, so that is the method. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.